So, is it Wójcicki or Wojcicki? Well, that depends how you spell it. Well, if you spell it with that line above the O, then it's U, Wójcicki. Without the line, it's O, Wojcicki. So, the English language does not preserve usually, no, never really, the original spelling from other languages, which is a shame. Well, hopefully it's gonna change sometime soon. You know, we've got, the year is 2024, no excuses. We do have now those, what do you call it, diacritics characters in our computer systems everywhere. It's not difficult to implement it in your system. Even if you don't know how to say it, you can definitely copy and paste it from somewhere. Anyway, so Wójcicki or Wojcicki. So Suzan Wójcicki or Suzan Wojcicki, I don't know, because I don't know what her original surname was of her family members. Maybe we could find out. Does it matter? Well, you decide if it matters. For me, it does matter. If it were my surname, I would really want to know the origin and the proper pronunciation, no matter where the surname were coming from, you know. For you, I don't know, you decide. You decide what works for you. Now, as I mentioned, in the Polish language, the letter W represents the sound V, the same as the letter V in English. Whereas the sound W in Polish is represented by the letter L, we call it L. We call it L, so it's an L with a line across, and that's W. So the same as the letter W in English, this also represents the sound W. So that's how it works. Now regarding other sounds, so Wójcicki, so chi, that sound does not exist in English. We've got similar sound ch. So it's ch, chi, ch, chi. A little bit different for us Poles, it's very different. Same as sh, shi for us, it's very different for the English speakers. Some English speakers cannot actually hear any difference, you know. So Wójcicki or Wojcicki. You decide which one you prefer. Take care.